Welcome back, Masterful Creators, part 2 of the power of visualization. Now in part 1, we talked about the link between visualization and our brain, the reticular activating system, which allows us to filter the things that we see and allows us to perceive similar things to our beliefs. Now what we're trying to do is we're trying to reprogram the reticular activating system, and we're trying to start to perceive new things that are aligned with our desires and our goals in life. So that's the first part. We reprogram the reticular activating system. And then let's talk about why visualization is so powerful. Now in manifestation, some people talk about, manifesting almost without any action. But in reality, that's very, very, very difficult. If you're living a normal life, and by a normal life, I'm talking about, having a family and friends, and you're in the middle of people, you have a surrounding, there are people around you, you have a job, blah, blah, blah. It's very difficult to keep your energy level constantly at its maximum. If you're a yogi living in the Himalayas, if you have isolated yourself from everybody else, then maybe you might be able to keep your energy level very high, very consistently, and your manifestation will occur in your physical reality with very little effort or none at all. But most of us are living a life where we have a job, we have people around us, we have our families to take care of, and it's very difficult with so many things going on around outside us to keep our energy level at a high level in alignment with the energy of Source. So, why does visualization help us in that department? Once you sit down to visualize, you close your eyes, and then you start dreaming of the life that you want to have, whatever it is you want to have. By the way, this could be about something very small too. It doesn't have to be your dream life or $1 million every time. It could be just anything. Once you sit down to do that, your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and non-reality. So it perceives it as real. And once your brain perceives that thing as real, your energy level starts to go up, starts to rise. And when your energy level is high, your energy is getting closer to that thing that you want. Now, that thing that you want, how can we know the energy of what we want? Let's say I want a house. What's the energy? What's the frequency of the house? I don't know. I don't know the frequency of the house. But I know this. I want that house because I believe that I will be happier if I have that house. If I live in that house, I will be happier. So there's the frequency. The frequency is equal to the emotion that you will manifest when you manifest that house that you want, or that thing that you want. So, if you want to align your energy with that of what you want, you have to align your emotion. So think of it that way. Emotions are very powerful. A lot of teachers talk about emotions as energy in motion, because it sends out a very powerful energy out into the universe. And it's easier for it to find that energy that you're looking for because it's very powerful. So all you need to do is align the emotions. So if you want, a relationship, how would that relationship make you feel? Visualize. But the most important thing, if you want your visualization to be powerful, attach emotions to it. Don't just see a visual thing. Live it. Feel it in your heart. Feel the emotion. Go deep into the emotions. Concentrate on the emotions. That's when visualization will be very powerful. That's when you will start to align your emotion with that of what you want. You will align the energies, and surely it will manifest sooner or later. So that's the power of visualization in very short 2 videos. I hope you liked it, and if you didn't know what to do, come on guys, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be informed of my new videos as they come along. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you on Monday. Take care. Bye bye.